We've been learning about storyboarding, but you might be wondering, who actually does this for a living? Where do storyboard artists work? The answer might surprise you, because storyboarding shows up in way more places than you'd think. Every movie and cartoon you've ever watched started with storyboards. Directors use them to plan out scenes before filming, figuring out camera angles, actor positions, and how the story flows. Animators rely on storyboards even more because they need to plan every single frame before they start the expensive work of animation. Whether it's a superhero movie or your favorite animated series, it all begins with drawings on papers. Then you've got advertisers creating every commercial you see, storyboarding the whole thing so clients know exactly what they're paying for. Game designers use storyboards to map out cutscenes, plan epic boss battles, and show players what their adventure will look like. Think about your favorite video game. Someone drew out those moments first. Writers use storyboards too, not just comic book writers, but screenwriters and novelists who want to visualize their scenes and make sure the pacing works. And UX/UI designers, the people building apps and websites, they storyboard user journeys. How does someone move through an app? What happens when they tap a button? It's all mapped out visually first. But it doesn't stop there. Storyboards show up in theme park design for planning rides, music videos for choreographing shots, virtual reality experiences, and even live theater for blocking scenes and lighting. Anywhere you need to visualize a sequence of events, storyboarding is the tool people reach for. Storyboarding opens doors everywhere. Real storyboard artists are visual thinkers, problem solvers, and clear communicators. And that's exactly what you're becoming. Grab your paper and pencils. What story will you storyboard today?